Hello and welcome back to the Salesforce Hulk channel, and this episode 15 of Ask the Hulk show. The next question is from Siddharth, and Siddharth says, "Hello Shrey, currently I am preparing to write Salesforce Certified Developer 1 exam. Salesforce PDF guide had been expired long back. Can you provide me Salesforce guides and PDF files etc. to prepare Dev 1 exam? Also, if you have okay, cool. So Siddharth, I don't think that Salesforce PD1 guide have been expired. I don't think so. Like they with every new release, a new guide gets released onto the resources of Salesforce. Just try and check that out, and you'll get that. And like there is only one guide that can prepare you for Salesforce PD1 exam, and that guide is Apex Developers Guide and Lightning Developers Guide. And that's a long PDF and long book that you have to explore day in and day out, and you cannot actually do it for completely. You cannot gulp everything inside it completely, even in a year. So what you need to focus on right now is just focus on to more and more scenario based questions that you can get onto the websites. I am working on to my website right now, and very soon I'll be having a complete guide and PPTs, and not exactly PPTs but PDFs, which will help you guys to prepare for PD1 exams. But currently I haven't worked onto it, and that's not completed yet. But very soon the website, my website shreysharma.com, will have that PDF. So we'll be able to provide it to you once it gets live. So yeah, thanks. If you also want to ask me a question related to Salesforce or related to anything, then just feel free to write me a DM on my LinkedIn profile, of which I have mentioned the link down in the description. Just get connected with me on LinkedIn, send me a DM, and I'm going to make sure to answer the question that you have. And also you can write a post with the hashtag Ask the Hulk, and I'll make sure that I answer that question as well in Ask the Hulk series. So you just keep asking the questions, I'll keep answering them.